Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. I just purchased Microsoft 365 and then I joined in this insider program, Office Insider. So signed up for beta channel and recently Microsoft released around 14 function uh, for text and other cases. So let me show you does these things done, but this is mainly related to the text functions. Okay, so Microsoft released three functions related to text. So one is TextAfter, TextBefore, and another is TextSplit. So these three. So we are going to use this three function, I guess, for this problem. So what we need to do, we need to extract this information: product code, pattern type, session, seal out, and other things. So if you watch this output, so you will get this that. Okay, so this is product. So this 303536, this is the product number. Pattern is print, spring, and if you look at it carefully, now you can see the session has spring, summer, and fall, but we are only concerned about the first one. So we need to take only the first session. If we have multiple data, then we will take only first item, like this sleeve, so long sleeve or flare sleeve. So we'll only concern about this long sleeve. So, and if you can see that I just create a lambda to do those things, and I put those, and then this is done. So I'm going to use I'm going to explain how I did these things. So let's start from the beginning. So let me delete all of this. Okay, now the first function is TextSplit. Okay, so it's saying that we need to give the text, we need to give the column delimiter. Okay, the column delimiter is basically this one. Now just let me hit enter, and you can see this product code, parent type, these things. So let me just auto fit this, format, auto fit column. So you can see these things, right? And also you can see that there is one extra, this one. So we get this data. Let me just copy down this formula, and so like for this one, it's type, this is, so you can see that this function is spillover up to n, but we want to spill over up to m. So basically the problem is that this last column, this one, so this one is causing that spill over to n. So we can just do that. Okay, so we only concern up to left and C3, and we are currently concerned about up to -2 length. Now if I scroll down, and this time let's see, so it's good now. Okay, so it's up to m now. So first we just get splitted data based on this delimiter. Now what we can do, we can get the text after this column. So I can say, okay, text after, and then this is the text, and this is the delimiter. Okay, I don't need to know about this instance number, I just put that, and now you can see this, that it is spillover and we get the output. Okay, so we need to do some more things, like we need to remove this has. So we can do that, substitute, this is the text, and then we are finding for as, and we also replace with dot, done. So now this @ sign is gone. I can trim this out so that it remove all the leading and trailing spaces. Okay, now the last things is that we need to only take up to first comma. Okay, but if it doesn't has comma, then we will take up to this print. So we can do, if you think that we can take that text before, and this is the text and this is the delimiter, then you will see that this returns value error, but this one has the data. So basically this returns value error because it couldn't find that comma. Okay, so that's why we need to use text split again, and this is the column delimiter, and now we are good to go. So we have this spring, shift, long sleeves and other things, so we're good to go. Just you can just put this like this and now we can make this as a lambda. So I'll get this whole text and I'll create another lambda. Okay, so let me just go to this. So lambda, and the first parameter is we need to take the text, right? So let me put this name as given text, and the function will be this one. So we need to get rid of this one, and we need to get rid of this C3 and put given text, and this one and given text. Okay, so that's done. Now put the value of this lambda, I mean given text. So that is this one. Hopefully we're good to go. Yep, so we get the output in this section. Now we can just copy this and go to name manager. So that is, or you can press Ctrl F3, so that is name manager, it will open the name manager. So we can just, let's say clean data or split data, something like that, and the function will be a copied function. We're good to go. So clean data, close. Now we can just say clean data, clean data, and then we can say okay, this is in C3. Good to go. Just scroll down. That's it. Okay, so let me just show you in this section. So clean data, it's done. Yep, so all cleaned up. This is great. This lambda and then this text function is really interesting. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.